I'm Eugene Demata, ECD of DM9's, and I judge in digital and mobile category. My favorite is actually the Sound of Honda. I'm a big fan of Senna, and when he died, oh my God, okay, it was really a big news. And for them to bring him back, not necessarily using 3D mapping or whatever, they do it by sound. I mean, they did it. They did an amazing job in bringing Senna back to life using sound, and the way they did it was really fantastic. I've seen the presentation video, and of course, the one of the creative who is involved in the creation of that campaign is also in the jury. So we had so many questions about the campaign, and yeah, when the campaign really, I don't know, it gives you goosebumps because if you're a fan, especially, you'll be amazed how they did it. It's just amazing, simply amazing. And the good thing about it is when you watch the presentation video, you'll forget about the technology side, and you'll just feel okay. And that's what I want about that campaign, is that it makes people feel and remember Senna just by sound. And I think that is really, really amazing.